Everyone says AI can build your business. But here's the problem. Most AI tools just give you a blank chat box and expect you to figure everything out yourself. ProsperaBuilder claims it's different. Instead of giving you one AI assistant, it gives you an entire AI company with multiple departments and specialized AI employees. But is it actually better than ChatGPT? Can it replace done on command? Or is it just another shiny launch product? I spent hours researching everything it offers, and in this video I'll compare all three platforms so you know exactly which one deserves your money. Let's get started. Quote: ProsperaBuilder is an AI business platform built around the idea of running an online business using specialized AI employees instead of a single chatbot. It includes 5 business departments: marketing, affiliate, publishing, consulting, and content, with 25 predefined AI roles for tasks like audits, proposals, email campaigns, product reviews, blog posts, and social content. It also lets users create additional custom AI employees. Everybody knows ChatGPT. It's flexible. You can build almost anything. But everything starts with a blank prompt. You have to create your own workflow. Write prompts. Organize projects. Remember templates. Create systems. For experienced users, that's great. For beginners, not so much. Done on command takes a different approach. Instead of giving you AI employees, it focuses on delivering AI services for businesses. It can create websites, videos, images, social media, email marketing, lead generation. It feels more like hiring an AI agency. Comparison round 1. Ease of use. ProsperaBuilder. Very beginner-friendly. Choose a department. Choose an employee. Give instructions. Receive work. Almost no learning curve. ChatGPT. Highest learning curve. You need prompting skills. Good prompts equal good results. Bad prompts equal bad output. Done on command. Simple dashboard. Most work happens automatically. Perfect for agencies. Winner. ProsperaBuilder for beginners. Comparison round 2. AI quality. ChatGPT still has one of the smartest AI models. Very flexible. Best reasoning. Best customization. ProsperaBuilder. Quality depends on the specialized workflow. Instead of thinking about prompts, the platform already knows the task. Done on command. Optimized for marketing assets, not general intelligence. Winner. ChatGPT. Comparison round 3. Business-ready features. ProsperaBuilder includes dedicated AI roles for marketing, affiliate content, consulting, publishing, and content production, aiming to provide ready-made business workflows instead of a blank prompt. ChatGPT. Needs plugins. Needs custom GPTs. Needs organization. Done on command. Excellent for client fulfillment. Winner. ProsperaBuilder. Comparison round 4. Best for affiliate marketing. ProsperaBuilder. Designed specifically for affiliate reviews. Landing pages. Emails. Bridge pages. Content. Blogs. That's impressive. ChatGPT can do all of this, but requires prompts. Done on command. Not specifically affiliate focused. Winner. ProsperaBuilder. Comparison round 5. Agencies. Done on command wins. Because clients care about results, not prompts. You can create videos, websites, images, emails, everything from one dashboard. Comparison round 6. Freelancers. ProsperaBuilder wins. Reason. It creates deliverables people already pay for. Business audits. Reports. Presentations. social media, email marketing, consulting documents. That makes selling services easier. Comparison Round 7. Content creators. ChatGPT wins. Nothing beats it for brainstorming. Scripts, ideas, research, planning, pricing discussion. Now let's talk money. ChatGPT. Monthly subscription. Done on command. One-time launch pricing. ProsperaBuilder. Typically offered with a one-time launch deal during its promotional period, rather than an ongoing subscription. Launch pricing and availability can change after the promotion ends. Pros. ProsperaBuilder. Beginner-friendly. Organized workflows. Specialized AI employees. Multiple business models. Cloud-based. Cons. No software is perfect. ProsperaBuilder still requires you to find customers, review outputs, fact-check content, make business decisions. It doesn't magically make money for you. Community reviews also emphasize that users still need to choose a niche, verify AI output, and market their services effectively. Buy it if you're new to AI. Want structure. Want ready-made workflows. Need business templates. Need client deliverables. Skip it if you already use ChatGPT professionally. You've built your own AI systems. You enjoy writing advanced prompts. If you're looking for a structured AI business platform that tells you what to do instead of expecting you to invent every workflow yourself, ProsperaBuilder is a compelling option. Its biggest advantage is organization. 5 business departments, role-based AI employees, and ready-made deliverables that can help beginners get productive faster. On the other hand, experienced ChatGPT users may find they can recreate many of the same outputs with custom prompts and workflows. If you found this comparison helpful, check out the first link in the description for the latest ProsperaBuilder deal and bonuses. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest AI software reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next launch review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.